What's up, guys? John B here, and we finally got a little bit of sunshine a few weeks ago. We've had a lot of rain, as you can see. It's over the little bridge here at the lake, so had a little bit of rain for about a month, it seemed like. So yeah, got out, sunny day, felt nice out, so went out to take a few shots. I didn't record anything this day, that's why I'm doing the voiceover here. But I went out and took a few pictures, and I couldn't decide if I like black and white or color on some of these, so let me know in the comments below what you like and which ones you like. So yeah, just went out and enjoyed the weather for a change, and before all this coronavirus stuff started going around. And so now I'm sitting at home and editing. But this right here is the barn. I've been wanting to shoot this barn for a while, and finally got out and took a few pictures of it before anybody came down the road, because I was sitting in the middle of the road pretty much to get this picture. And luckily it's a little side road, so it wasn't too bad. This is the road here. So yeah, a few cars came by, but you know, nothing bad. So they're taking it easy coming through there. But this right here is the old Tiff College in town. It was the all-girls college from, I think it was early 50s to I think 1986 it closed down. So the building now is used by the Department of Corrections. But I took a few shots of it while I was in town, along with like the old fire truck we had. I think that was one of the original fire trucks we had in town. So I took a shot of it, and railroad crossing. I was just, you know, finding anything and everything to take pictures of. You know, it's nice and sunny out, and I'm a sunny, warm weather person. So, and this right here is the old mill in town. It's turned into a where they sell furniture from motels and stuff. They refurbish it and sell it. So I went to the old mill and was taking a few pictures around it, and the brick and the old doors just are interesting to me. And that door says no smoking, and it says caution, do not enter. So no telling what's in there. I guess it might be some of the gas stuff. But here's some old stairs that went from the basement, which that window to the left is the basement. So it went the first and second floor. It went to the second floor of the building, and I can just imagine back in the day when it was a mill, how many people walked up and down those stairs. And this was the little mysterious red door. I did a little selected color because it draws your attention into the doorway, and you kind of wonder what's behind the door. And this was a door that went down to the basement of the mill. It's now used where the washing machine and dryers are at for the they do all the old cleaning for the motel chairs and stuff. So the door is open, you can smell all the nice odor, but I like the way the old wooden door and the archway was and the light above it. And this right here, I kind of, it's like, hey, it's diamonds on the ground, but you know, it's probably just broken glass, but it'd be nice if it was all diamonds. And right there is the little walkway down to the basement door. So yeah, it was the mill is still very nice today. And that's the door that went up the stairway earlier. I can see that being like the, you know, the boss man's office up the stairs, and that's the stairway going up it. But I just like the lines of the brick and the way the poles went up, and the stairway was an angle. And then I went out to this field. It's supposed to have been a neighborhood years ago. It was developed with roads and stuff, but nothing ever came. So I went out, saw the tractors out there, and decided to take a few pictures before my day ended, before I came on home. But yeah, just wanted to share these pictures with you, and hopefully you liked them. And if whichever one you like, black and white color, just let me know below. And if you will, just like, subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up if you will, and click the bell for notifications. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks for watching. Later.